Salem district, Karpur, there are numerous industries situated in SIDCO Center of Excellence, Women's Industrial Park, with 51.24-acre land. In this video, we are going to look at the Perfect Nails and Rivets industry situated in SIDCO and going to see the manufacturing product details. The company was started in 2010. Its co-founder was Mr. Rajamanikam. More than 10 employees were employed in this industry. The main product of the company is nails, rivets, J-hooks and straight rods. It is one of the important component in all woodworking and construction industry. Nails are the first choice for framing, construction and carpentry applications. Perfect Nails and Rivets is one of the leading company to manufacture the nails, J-bolts, straight rods of different sizes and supplying the product throughout India. They got their raw material, that is cold rolled wire, from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. They have a wire drawing machine to convert these cold rolled wires to the required diameter. To make more nails, there are 4 machines, that is wire cutting machine for making clamp bolts, wire bending machine, wire making machine, thread making machine, hydraulic press, grinding machine, wire rolling machine, etc. They also have a galvanizing system to prevent corrosion or rust on the nails.
My name is Rajamanikam. I am a retired military officer. I am the owner of this company and running this company for the past 10 years. I bought all the machines and upgrading the company with help of the bank loan only. Here there are 12 employees working. We can pay those employees which based on the working order and profit of every month. So we are working diligently to improve the company without repairing the machines of Perfect Nails and Rivets. Here the main product of the company is nails, J-hooks and straight rods. It is possible to run any factory or company depending on the marketing. So we are manufacturing nails and J-hooks depending on the market situations and customer requirements. Here all the machines are located as per process planning, which it is useful for mechanical students for easy learning purpose. Then mechanical students can easily understand function of all the machines and the manufacturing process of all the machines also. Here J-hooks and J-bolts are used to fit the asbestos sheets with round pipe or square pipe for constructing the top roof of the industries and homes.
Now we will see directly through this video how nails are made in the nail making machine. With a wire drawing machine powered by 22 HP electric motor, cold rolled 5.5 mm diameter rods into 4 and 3 mm diameter wire and drawn into the rolling system in this wire drawing machine. The die set can be adjusted to the required diameter. When pulling the wires 2 or 3 times, we can change the wires into the required diameter as per the customer requirement.
Our company name is Perfect Nails and Rivets. Here we are manufacturing nails, J-bolts, hooks and straight rod as per the customer requirement. The raw materials are supplied from the Raipur, Chhattisgarh and Calcutta and various regions from our India. These materials are drawn in cold roll process by wire drawing machine from the size of 5.5 mm to 2.8 or 3.5 mm and also as per customer requirement. The wire diameter of raw materials will be approximately 5.5 mm. It will be reduced to 3.5 to 2.8 mm by using wire drawing machine in cold drawing process. The raw material of wire rod diameter is 5.5 mm. By changing the die, we reduce the diameter of the wire as per requirement. This is the wire drawing machine. Each machine having 22 HP capacity of electric motor. So here 2 electric motors are available. So totally 44 HP capacity of electric motor used for running this wire drawing machine. This is drum number 1 and this is the drum number 2. The drum number 1 reduce the diameter in first pass from 5.5 mm to 4 mm. Then the wire is passed to drum number 2. Here it is reduce the diameter in second pass from 4 mm to 3 or 2.8 mm based on our customer requirement. The wire will be purchased from West Bengal or Raipur. This is rod cutting machine. Here 2.5 mm diameter of rod is making with help of this machine. It is used in textile industries in the place of design making process. In Tamil it is known as Jambwat Kambi. Based on our customer requirement, the diameter of the wire is reduced in wire drawing machine and also rolled in roller. Similarly, based on customer requirement, the length of wire is noted in that machine by adjusting the lever sets, then cut the wire rod with required length. This machine is capable to cut the length of wire from 13 inches to 6 feet as per customer requirement.
First, in a wire drawing machine, the wire is pulled to a desired diameter and wrapped into a roller. The wires are then inserted into the pulling head and guideways of the nail machine, which is powered by a 5 HP electric motor. The connecting rod converts the rotary motion of the motor into a linear motion, and the flywheel supplies the motor's power to pulling the rod and forming the head of nails. With the help of the fulcrum and lever, the wire is pulled and pushed inside the machine to the required length. By adjusting the fulcrum and lever position, we can change the length of the nail to the size we required. The head is created with the help of the die there. With the help of the cutter, another sharp tip of the nail is formed and the nail is cut from the rod. Standard wire gauge nails are measured with this measurement. In this case, the diameter of the nail is smaller when the value of standard wire gauge is greater. Example, 14 SWG, 13 SWG and 12 SWG are manufactured in different sizes.
This is nail manufacturing machine. Here 4 mm nails are manufacturing. 4 mm nail means the wire rod diameter is 4 mm. Then 2 inch to 3 inch length of nails are manufactured here. After wire drawing, the wire is feed into this machine. The feeded wire then directly given to die, and the head is formed by punching process. The wire from 5.5 mm diameter is reduced into 4 mm wire by wire drawing machine. Then it will be feed into this machine. This is feeding point. From here the drawn wire is feed. Then the wire is straightened by the roller. Then it is entered into the die. Here the head is formed by punching process. After that the cutting takes place by sideways. Here the first head formation. After that the next cutting process is taken. In that place 2 cutting points are there. Then hammer force is applied here for cutting purpose. Then finally we are getting a finished product of nails. This is thread milling machine. Here 6.8 mm wire rod is used for producing J hooks, which is used to join the asbestos sheet with round or square type. This threading machine is used to form the thread in the J-hooks. Here we fed the rods separately at the die to make the thread formation at end of the process. The thread pitch value 5/16 and the length of the thread formation is 2 inches are manufactured here. For making various sizes of the J-hooks, the diameter, the length and the pitch value of threads are modified by changing the die sets in that machine. After the threading is done in the rod, then it will be bent into L shape by wire bending machine to form a J hook. The width of L shape is 2 inches. Then the height may be varied from 4 to 8 inches as per the requirement of our customers. These shapes are used to attach the aspect of sheets with round or square shape in the construction process.